Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how to charge Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. To charge Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, you could follow these steps. The Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 can be charged using either a detected magnetic charging cable or a USB-C connections. So for that, if you're using a magnetic charging cable, plug one end of the charging cable into a USB power adapter or a computer's USB port. As you do it then align the charging cable's pogo pin with the charging contact on the back of the Galaxy Fit 3. Once you actually do it the Fit 3 will start charging, indicating by a charging animations on the display as well. As you've done it if you're using a USB connection, use a USB-C to USB-A or USB-C to USB-C cable to connect the Fit 3 to a compatible charger connections. And as you do it the Fit 3 will start charging, indicating by charging animations on the display. Disconnect the cable when charging is completed, and this is how it's done. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.